upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, but today I'm doing something a little bit different. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have and you're one of my doll babies, thank you so much. Today we are doing a press on nail and press on toenail nail haul. See, I do wig related content so much I'm not even right there. Okay, so I wanted to share some of the press on nail styles that I've gotten recently and also press on toenail styles that I've gotten recently. I used a bunch of them, then I was like, wait, maybe I should share them because maybe they want to see them. So if that sounds good to you, then stay tuned. I want to talk first about, we're going to do 3. We're going to do the Rebecca Minkoff nails that came out, the couture, some of the couture line that came out, and some press on toenails, because I did a video on press on toenails as a joke, and then I was like, yeah, I really love them. I actually really love them. So let me share some of the styles that I've gotten recently right now. Let's start with Rebecca Minkoff. So the first one I have is, this is called Desert Glow. It's sort of that oval-esque shape. They are clear nails, and then the accent nail has sort of a rhinestone situation. I got most of these actually at Walmart, but you can get them on impress.com and also at Ulta. Next one from Rebecca is another orange. I love orange. So these are Sunset Beach. These are all matte nails in that sort of monochromatic situation, and I think this is like an orange circle dreamsicle. They're awesome. Next up we have Glitterati. And these are sort of clear nails. These have a pinkish overspray, and then they have a glitter accent nail that's in a fuchsia type pinky situation. Super pretty. And then the last of the Rebecca Minkoff that I haven't already used, because some of them are already used, of course, Ibiza Nights. I love these. And these are sort of like an opalescent, and they have the sort of V-shaped, triangle-shaped geometric situation, and then this sort of holographic outline on the accent nail, which is opposite to the rest of the nails. This is a random one. This is the old Kiss ones. Kiss is now imPress. It used to be Kiss, then Kiss imPress, and now it's just imPress. These ones you get at Dollar General. I just want to share them because I really love this style, and this is called Love It, and it's gray with that a little bit of rhinestones and then the silver accent nails. So if you're at Dollar General, these are the older styles, but they still have them there, and I really, really like them. I have 2 of the couture line. This one is called Supreme, and these are oval shaped with the encrusted rhinestone. Just so pretty. They're a very pale pink color, and I really, really like these. And the other couture one that I have is called Lavish, and these are a mix between matte and shiny satiny black with the rhinestone crystal-y accents. Last but not least, I have some toenails. This one is called Worth It, and this is so cute. It is sort of that seafoam green situation, and then the accent nails always like the toenail. Well, the toenail is usually embellished, not always, but it's usually embellished, and this one it is. And it's got sort of like a pearly thing going on, as well as a rhinestone thing, so those are so cute. This one isn't embellished at all. This is sort of a neon situation. This is called Look at Me, and it's just that neon yellow, and I think these are going to be so cute, especially for summer. And then last but not least, we got Duo, and these are black and silver, and they have the accents on the big toenail. So cute. So that is what I have for you for this short little press on nail haul. Any other press on nail related videos that are not in my playlist that you would like me to film, please let me know. And she's acting crazy. My kitten is acting crazy. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, share, subscribe, all that kind of thing. If you have, thank you so much for supporting me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.